Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And this video we're going to talk about how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom. Then click here at the top right. Then choose settings and privacy. And choose privacy. Now scroll down and choose this option here. And as you can see here, see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and which followers viewed your post within 7 days of the post date. If others have these settings turned on, they will also see that you viewed their profile or post. Anyway, turn on this option and just like this. Now, to see who has viewed your profile, go to your profile page by tapping here at the bottom. Then select this option. Here you will find everyone who viewed your profile during the last 30 days.